What's the first name that comes to your mind when I say Indian Sports League? Chances are that you're thinking of the IPL. The IPL is great, but clearly that's not the only big league in town. Here are some interesting leagues that have been making waves in the Indian sports ecosystem that you don't want to miss out on. Number 1. Ultimate Table Tennis. Starting 29th May 2025, the Ultimate Table Tennis will host its 6th season at the EK Arena in Ahmedabad, and this upcoming season speaks volumes of the league's success. With some of the top Indian players like Manika Batra, Sathiyan Nanasekaran, Shrija Akula, and Dia Chitale returning to the league and rubbing shoulders with global stars, the league is undoubtedly the biggest Indian table tennis extravaganza in the country. With an investment of 100 crore rupees earmarked for a 10-year period, the Ultimate Table Tennis League is here to stay. Number 2. Rugby Premier League. India is set to host the world's first franchisee-based Rugby Sevens League between the 1st and the 15th of June this year at the Mumbai Football Arena. In December last year, Rugby India, the governing body for the sport announced a 10-year partnership with GMR Sports to launch the 6-team-based league this year. The league will feature 30 marquee international Rugby Sevens players alongside India's finest talents in 34 matches played over 15 days. 6 teams will represent major Indian cities, and the franchises are Bengaluru Bravehearts, Chennai Bulls, Delhi Reds, Hyderabad Heroes, Kalinga Black Tigers, and the Mumbai Dreamers. Number 3. Pro Kabaddi League. With 11 seasons under its belt, the Pro Kabaddi League, or the PKL, transformed the game in the country. It is a surefire fact that PKL is the most popular Kabaddi league in the world and the third most watched sports league in India after the IPL and the ISL. Interestingly, last season, the league touched an approximate reach of 400 million, which was roughly 70% of IPL's audience reach. Stay tuned for PKL's 2025 season starting this August. Number 4. Shooting League of India. The International Shooting Sport Federation (ISSF) has taken the lead to host the inaugural edition of Shooting League of India this year. The league will be held from 24th November to 7th December 2025 and shall attract some of the top shooters from across the world. NRAI President Kalikesh Narayan Singh Deo, who spearheaded the initiative, has acknowledged that ISSF's involvement will be a huge game changer for Indian shooting. Number 5. Indian Supercross League. The SEAT Indian Supercross Racing League (ISRL) is the world's first franchisee-based supercross racing series, organized by Team SXI in collaboration with the Federation of Motorsports Club of India (FMSCI). The first season of the league was held across Pune, Ahmedabad, and Delhi in 2024, which featured a total of 48 racers across 6 teams. The inaugural season had a physical attendance of over 30,000 spectators and a viewership of over 11.5 million in just days of being broadcast. After the resounding success of its inaugural season, the league has announced the much-anticipated Season 2 in 2025, with Salman Khan coming on board as the brand ambassador. It has established itself as a global sensation for the motorsport community and is considered as the fastest growing motorsports league in the world. So which league are you rooting for? Tell us in the comments below.